Have you ever noticed a bird quietly watching you from a distance? It might seem like a random moment, but what if that bird actually remembers you? What if, in its small but powerful brain, your face is already stored like a memory? For a long time, humans believed that only we had the ability to recognize faces and remember individuals. But high above us, in the silent skies, birds are proving something extraordinary. They don't just see humans, they can recognize them. Take the highly intelligent crow, for example. In a fascinating study conducted by researchers at the University of Washington, scientists wore different masks while interacting with crows. Some of those masks were linked to danger, while others were not. What happened next was remarkable. The crows began to associate specific human faces with specific experiences, and even years later, they could still recognize the dangerous face and respond with alarm calls. Even more surprising, they passed this information to other crows, almost like a warning shared across generations. But crows are not alone. The everyday pigeon, often seen in busy cities, can also distinguish between different human faces, and parrots, unknown for their intelligence, can recognize voices, expressions, and even emotional tones. This ability comes from a combination of sharp vision and a highly developed brain. For birds, recognizing humans is not just intelligence, it is survival. So the next time a bird flies away, the moment you step closer, it may not be acting on instinct alone. It could be reacting to a memory, a past interaction, or even recognizing you. In the end, birds are more than just creatures of the sky. They are observers, learners, and silent rememberers of the world around them. And somewhere in that quiet gaze, you might already be a part of their story.